Always test the stain remover product on a small part of your fabric before using. Treat the stain ASAP. Here are some stain removers. Baby wipes are good to use on fresh stains like blood, deodorant stains, makeup, markers, and pens. Vodka is a solvent, so it's good to use on grass, wine, and vomit. A safe bleach soak is good to use on coffee, tea, grass, and flower stains. Alcohol is good to use on waxy stains like lipstick, other cosmetics, grass, pen, marker, and nail polish. Hydrogen peroxide is good to use on blood and nail polish. Pretreating with detergent works on cosmetics, grass, flowers, and food grease. A Tide pen works on the go.